Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Fiesta. It's 2018. So we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then from any screen, if you just go to click the home, you've got phone here. We're going to be watching out at the bottom, so we click on phone, pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Ford Fiesta at the bottom there, so we select that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
371108, yes. So click pair, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Automatic contact download, so we'll just click finish there. It says it's unable to download, but I've got it switched off here, so that's it. That's how you do it.